Assalamu alaikum everyone. Ahmad from Muslim Hands USA. We are here in Bamako in Mali in the eye cataract camp. People here are waiting to be screened so they can receive their eye cataract surgery. We are now inside the operation room. As we can see here behind us, Dr. Fahira is now trying to prepare the patient to do the surgery. Wow, mashallah, the doctors, the nurses here are doing a great job. I'm here sitting next to Sister Fatima, and she feels very happy. Please donate your zakat and sadaqah today and help people like Fatima here restore their eyesight. Thank you.